You want to make YouTube videos twice, triple, quadruple as fast. You're simply tired of feeling like you're climbing to the top of the mountain Everest every time that you want to create one single decent YouTube video, right? It's frustrating. I got you. Everything takes so much energy, effort, and time that is literally painful to record again one single YouTube video. And what's worse, when you post it, you hear crickets most of the time. The results are very disappointing, right? So you want a proven system, a formula to allow you to crank up high quality YouTube videos that attract your dream clients consistently on autopilot. Something that does not take that much effort, that does not take more simply than a few minutes of your time per week, and that, as I mentioned, basically runs on autopilot. Otherwise, you'll run yourself directly into burnout, right? Awesome. I have posted over 1,500 YouTube videos over the last 3 years with over 30 clients, including Mark Weishak, Ryan Stewart, John Skiva, and dozens of other clients. So you can be certain that we have figured out the system to do this in a quite effortless manner, very efficient, very effective. By the end of this video, you'll discover how to post twice as many YouTube videos as you are doing right now in half the time while generating more clients for your online business through YouTube. We follow this system with our client John, and over the last 2 years he has been posting consistently. Even better than that, as a result of that, almost tripled his subscribers from less than 20,000 to over 60,000. He now generates 90% of all of his leads for his law firm from his YouTube channel, and he is closing those leads at a 70% rate. So if you want to copy and paste our unique system to get similar results to John, or at least try it out, watch this video until the end. You see, the big players of this content era, we are talking about Noah Kagan, Iman Gadzhi, Alex Hormozi. These guys treat YouTube as they treat their multi-millionaire businesses. They don't leave things to chance. They leave things to systems. And for you to create your own unique system that is going to be able to produce videos on a constant basis super fast, you need first to understand the theory of constraints. Basically, it states that you need to identify the most important limiting factor of a process and then work on that process to remove that limiting factor so it's no longer a constraint. Let's do this exercise with your YouTube channel. The process of making a YouTube video is as follows: the video idea, then the scripting, then the video recording, then the video editing, the thumbnail design, the title and SEO, and then the posting, right? This is the whole process. So if you want to make high quality YouTube content fast, you need to remove the constraints from each of these steps that I just mentioned, or you can simply keep watching and let me do it for you. First, for the video idea, we'll need to create an SOP for finding winning video ideas. And regarding how to find these winning video ideas, you can go ahead and check out this video that is being recommended on the screen right now. I basically went over how you can find proven concepts or audiences or topics that have a huge demand at the moment with low supply, so that you can go ahead, create a piece of content, and basically guarantee that you get some type of traction with the YouTube video that you post. So first, again, create that SOP for finding winning video ideas. Second thing, hire a YouTube strategist to list all of these ideas on a Google Sheet in advance. We want to batch the video idea research process simply to increase productivity. When you have these lists of video ideas, you simply pre-approve the ones that you would like to record, and you know that every time that you want to record something, you already have plenty of winning video ideas for you to select. Now, something very important to consider here. We are simply all of these removing of constraints that we will be doing for each part of the YouTube process or YouTube workflow is based on this very simple management principle of automate, delegate, or eliminate. That's simply it. That's the ways that we remove the constraints. We see what can be automated, what can be delegated that doesn't need to be done by us, and what can be eliminated from the process, so that we make things efficient, effective, produce faster videos, produce higher quality videos. That's all that this video is about, and it's going to be very valuable if you implement it. Now, second step of this process is the scripting process. For the scripting process, we want to put the pre-approved video ideas in a column in Asana or a project management software, then create a general outline structure to write YouTube scripts that will increase retention and convert views into clients. I will put on the screen some suggestions for you regarding how to create this general outline, like what is the outline of an effective YouTube script. Then we will train a ChatGPT chat as our own script writer, because we want to make sure that we are leveraging the tools available to our advantage, right? So we will train it. You simply go on YouTube, find clips of Mr. Beast, have a transcript on those videos of Mr. Beast, upload it to the chat, tell the chat to basically learn and study and analyze the tips that he's giving, find a bunch of videos specifically about script writing on YouTube, train that model, train that chat into that structures. Then you can, with the outline that I'll be suggesting to you, also tell ChatGPT to study it, and then you'll be basically writing prompts telling ChatGPT to write scripts for the winning video ideas that you want, right? It's that simple. Then you will hire a YouTube script writer to modify and improve the scripts from ChatGPT to sound more natural, of course, be more valuable and be more engaging. But it's going to be way easier for your script writer since he's just modifying and working on something that's done by ChatGPT. And by the way, you want to ensure that your script is not written like word for word, but rather like bullet points, so that your videos can flow a little bit better and your recording sessions are more efficient and productive. You can see that this is kind of the laid back type of approach that I'm taking for this video, looking at the screen, my bullet points, talking to you guys. This is a conversation, and that's the feel that I want to give to this video. It's probably the similar feel that I will encourage you to do on your videos as well. And by the way, talking about like this whole YouTube process, if you want a YouTube channel that attracts high ticket dream inbound clients for your online business, in the description below, I actually share our entire YouTube strategy. It is totally free. Go ahead and check it out. Now, for the step of the video recording, you want to set up a recording studio or space where you only need to press record to remove all friction from recording. Right now in my studio, this is my office, my desk, computer, light here, light right there, the tripod, the phone. Super easy, super simple. Every time that I want to record, I simply take the tripod, put the phone, turn on the lights, and that's it. Ready to record. No friction, no hassle at all. So super efficient. Before the recording, the encouragement that I'll make to you is to get in that flow state. I put a little bit of music, I smile a little bit, I try to get in the flow, feel more relaxed. Know that I'm not going to be recording, I'm going to be having a conversation and hopefully trying to teach and provide value to people that I care about, you guys. And that's the exact same thing that you want to do as well, right? Getting that flow state. Maybe have a glass of water with you, a towel to clean the sweat, put some music and get to record. Also, another suggestion is to record 1 or 2 weeks worth of videos in advance, so you will actually be batch recording as well. This is, to put you at context, this is my second video that I'm recording today, because that's just more effective and reduce a lot of the time and friction that there's usually for recording your YouTube videos. So remember, it's all about increasing that speed of recording and posting YouTube videos, making YouTube videos. Now, the next step, video editing. Here, please create a signature style document in which you will outline the preferred font, the color scheme, the editing style, the pacing that you like, everything. Like, create your signature style, because standardizing things is usually what leads to efficiency and productivity. So we want to do that, and also it's just for marketing purposes, for people to be able to immediately recognize you when they watch one of your videos, because they know that that's your unique signature style. So editing preferences, references to the video editing style that you like, the color scheme, all of that is what will go into the signature style document. Also, create a Google Drive folder with all of your video branding elements. So here, add, for example, the transitions that you'll normally use, the sound effects, maybe the intro if you have like a branded intro or something like that, the lower third, like all of these things that you usually will be using, or your editor in the video editing process. Have simply a Google Drive folder with all of those assets. Again, for standardization purposes. And lastly, here, hire a YouTube video editor. First, of course, with experience on YouTube. A skilled video editor that doesn't have YouTube experience, it's a no-go for me personally. Your chances of them actually doing a good job are slim to none. So find someone who is skilled, that understands YouTube, that understands the important metrics, average view duration, the hook, how to keep the retention of the audience, and all of these things. Expect 4 to 5 days of initial delivery, depending on the quality of videos that you'll like to ask your editor for, but I'm just setting the expectations for you so that when you hire that person, you know that things take time, right? So that you can batch prepare things, etc, etc. Just plan ahead. Now, the next step in this YouTube process, how to make it faster. The step is thumbnail design. Let's keep removing some more constraints. In the signature style document that you created above or earlier, you'll also put that signature style for the thumbnail. So the style that you're going for, so like your preferences, the color scheme, the references, and all of this. Also, you will take multiple photos with different like facial expressions and poses and in different places, if you will, as well, in HD, so high resolution type of photos, so that your graphic designer can use them for the thumbnails and you'll not have to take one particular photo for each of the videos that you post. Again, we are batch producing everything to increase productivity. And the third thing here is to hire a YouTube thumbnail designer. Vast experience on YouTube that understands click-through rate, that understands how to make catchy designs, that understands how to drive curiosity with the thumbnails so that more people will be clicking on your videos. Now, the next step is title and SEO. The YouTube strategist that you hired for the video ideas can take care of this task of title and SEO as well. This part of the process, I will just do once scheduling the video already, and it shouldn't take more than 10 minutes honestly per video. So that like there's not really much to optimize here. Just hire a YouTube strategist so that you can save time on having to post the video, and that's basically it. And for the step of posting videos, batch schedule your content at least 1-2 weeks in advance so that you never again have to worry about consistency. Since you are doing everything in advance, you can schedule multiple videos ahead. You schedule like on the platform, and that you know that you have like that peace of mind that a few weeks further, all of your videos are already going to be posted no matter what, so that you don't break that consistency. And that's about it, right? And by the way, this is the perfect moment for you to subscribe to the channel right now if you are finding the video helpful. It truly lets me know if I am doing the right type of content in the right manner. So anyway, thank you so much. Other general suggestions that you can follow to make your videos twice, triple, quadruple as fast are shorter content. So this is very obvious, but a lot of people like don't consider it. Yeah, record long-form content, but maybe at the beginning for consistency purposes, at least if you don't have much time to record multiple videos, do multiple videos but that are 4 to 6 minutes long. If you are talking specifically on your video to your ideal customer profile, if you provide enough value, that length is totally perfect. So record shorter content to make YouTube videos faster, and also mix the types of content that you record. Simply go for easier types of content, maybe a podcast that is more like authentic. You can also record like these raw videos, maybe a blog sometimes, maybe just document, I don't know, whatever you want to document. Maybe do like a short Google document with some thoughts, record your screen and explain those thoughts, like testimonials, a case study, a frequently asked question session. Like all of these things are on the easier side of formats because you don't have to script and do a lot of things. Maybe you can try them out as well to make YouTube videos faster, and that's the goal. Now, here's the thing, you just discovered the exact system to make YouTube videos faster, but there's still one big problem. You have no idea what kind of videos to record in the first place, right? But the good thing for you is that I recently broke down my unique method for coming up with unlimited YouTube video ideas. So in the next 3 seconds, I'll be recommending that video to you. I'll see you there. Take care.